Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best magnetic USB-C hubs that can take your laptop, tablet, or smartphone productivity to the next level. Whether you're a professional, content creator, or just love efficient tech, these hubs are total game changers. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Kebidumei Magnetic USB-C Hub. The Kebidumei Magnetic USB-C Hub redefines the way users expand and optimize their devices. Designed as an 8-port multifunctional magnetic docking station, it combines robust construction with versatile functionality. The hub adheres firmly to devices through a powerful magnet, ensuring stability even during vigorous movements, and remains compatible with phone cases equipped with magnetic rings. Equipped with PD 100-watt fast charging, the hub allows users to safely charge their phones while simultaneously extending laptop functionality. Data transmission is seamless, boasting a remarkable 10 gigabits transfer speed that moves a 1 gigabyte file in just 1 second. Multimedia experiences are enhanced with support for 4K 60Hz video output, providing crystal clear visuals with vivid detail, ideal for cinematic enjoyment. Audio performance is equally impressive. The 3.5mm audio port supports external earphones, delivering lossless sound quality for a rich auditory experience. For photographers and media enthusiasts, the SD/TF 3.0 dual card expansion facilitates high-speed transfer and simultaneous read/write operations, making large media file management efficient and convenient. Durability is a cornerstone of the Kebidumei Hub. Crafted from wear-resistant and shockproof aluminum, it ensures effective heat dissipation while maintaining structural integrity. This combination of design, speed, and functionality makes the Kebidumei Magnetic USB-C Hub an essential companion for professionals and multimedia users seeking a powerful, reliable, and versatile docking solution. Coming in at number 4, the Blueendless MC906 Magnetic USB-C Hub. The Blueendless MC906 Magnetic USB-C Hub is designed to bring convenience and efficiency to both mobile and laptop users. Its innovative internal magnetic structure allows it to attach securely to a phone, providing stability and preventing accidental falls even during active use. This feature ensures that users can rely on the hub for both work and entertainment without constantly adjusting or repositioning it. Equipped with USB 3.2 technology, the MC906 delivers lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits, allowing a 1 gigabyte file to be transferred in just 1 second. This rapid performance eliminates waiting times, making it ideal for professionals and content creators who handle large files frequently. Additionally, the hub supports 100-watt PD fast charging, enabling devices to charge efficiently while maintaining productivity. This dual functionality allows users to expand their laptop capabilities without compromising on charging performance. The hub's multi-port design removes interface limitations, offering versatility for various scenarios. Whether connecting external drives, peripherals, or other devices, it provides a seamless expansion of your workstation. Its capability to support both mirror and extended screen setups enhances office productivity, allowing presentations, multitasking, and collaborative work to be more effective. With its secure magnetic attachment, rapid data transfer, multifunctional expansion, and stunning video output, the Blueendless MC906 Magnetic USB-C Hub offers a streamlined solution for enhancing productivity and digital experiences. At number 3, we have the Ugourd U0012 Magnetic USB-C Hub. The Ugourd U0012 Magnetic USB-C Hub is a versatile tool designed to elevate productivity and simplify workstation management. Engineered for devices with USB-C ports supporting at least 10 gigabits per second and DP-ALT mode, it ensures seamless video projection while meeting all essential office demands. This hub enables simultaneous data storage, connection to multiple USB ports, and screen expansion, allowing multitasking and parallel operations that boost work efficiency. With an integrated 2-in-1 storage expansion, the Ugourd U0012 consolidates device extension functions into a single compact unit, keeping desktops tidy and reducing the need to compare multiple products on the market. Its support for up to 8 terabytes of storage provides ample space for office files, multimedia data, and other essential materials, eliminating concerns about running out of memory or the need to upgrade laptops frequently. Functioning as a docking station with an M.2 SSD enclosure, this hub streamlines mobile office work, making data access and storage expansion effortless. The device supports 4K 60Hz video output, delivering vivid and detailed visuals, ensuring presentations and multimedia tasks appear crisp and realistic. A buckle self-locking design allows for quick disk replacement in just 5 seconds, simplifying traditional push-pull installation methods. Multiple heat dissipation solutions maintain stability even during extended operations, addressing potential issues like overheating, slow data transfer, or lagging when multiple interfaces are in use. The Ugourd U0012 combines efficiency, convenience, and durability in one sleek device, making it an essential hub for professionals seeking to optimize their workstations and enhance overall productivity. Next up at number 2 is the Unnlink Magnetic USB-C Hub. The Unnlink Magnetic USB-C Hub is a versatile accessory designed for photographers and content creators who demand speed, convenience, and portability. Featuring a magnetic read-write dock, this hub allows seamless attachment to Apple devices, ensuring stability during use while also offering the flexibility to carry it on a backpack or other gear. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor shooting, providing a practical solution for those constantly on the move. Equipped with dual SD and dual TF card slots, the hub supports 4 cards simultaneously, enabling fast and efficient storage and transfer. Users can quickly move high-resolution photos and videos from their cameras, drones, or action cameras directly to memory cards, hard drives, or smartphones. With a 5 gigabits per second transfer rate, large files can be handled swiftly, minimizing wait times during busy shoots. The hub also supports USB-A and Type-C devices, allowing multiple devices to read and store data at the same time. Power concerns are addressed with PD 3.0 power supply support, ensuring phones and tablets remain charged during long sessions. This makes it possible to shoot, edit, and upload content outdoors without worrying about low battery interruptions. Whether capturing DSLR images, drone footage, or GoPro clips, the hub allows instant sharing of uncompressed images on social media, keeping creators connected and productive. By combining high-speed storage, multi-device compatibility, and a portable magnetic design, the Unnlink Magnetic USB-C Hub streamlines the workflow for photography and videography enthusiasts. Its plug-and-play functionality and efficient data management transform the way content is captured, stored, and shared, making it an essential companion for creators seeking flexibility and performance on the go. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hagibis TC100 Magnetic USB-C Hub. The Hagibis TC100 Magnetic USB-C Hub redefines connectivity with a versatile 7-in-1 design, catering to laptops, tablets, and smartphones equipped with full-function Type-C ports. This all-in-one hub integrates a USB-C charging port with 100-watt power delivery, a 4K at 60Hz HDMI-compatible port, SD and microSD 3.0 card readers, 10 gigabits USB-C and USB-A ports, and a 3.5mm aux jack, providing seamless expansion for both work and entertainment. Designed with a built-in magnetic structure, the Hagibis TC100 clicks and sticks securely to devices, maintaining stable attachment without risk of falling. It pairs effortlessly with MagSafe cases, even supporting phones with cases attached. Its dual-sided magnetic feature allows attachment to laptops, tablets, and mobile devices on one side, while the other side can hold magnetic SSD cases, radiators, power banks, and other compatible accessories. For creative professionals, the hub enables direct storage of 4K ProRes videos from iPhone 16 and 15 series models to SD or TF cards, eliminating the need for post-recording transfers and easing memory constraints. The 100-watt PD fast charging ensures devices remain powered while in use, and the 4K at 60 Hz HDMI port allows for screen expansion or mirroring, supporting vivid UHD video streaming to HD TVs, monitors, or projectors. This makes it ideal for movies, gaming, and professional presentations. With 10 gigabits super-speed USB 3.2 data transfer, large files like HD movies can move in just seconds, while maintaining backward compatibility with USB 3.1 Gen 1 and USB 3.0 devices. The Hagibis TC100 hub boasts broad compatibility, working seamlessly with iPhone 16, 15 series, iPads, MacBooks, Android devices, and other Type-C full-function laptops and tablets. This hub offers a comprehensive solution for anyone seeking efficient connectivity, fast data transfer, and multifunctional device expansion.